家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi there, it's time for another Hakka song. I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes Huang Zhenxing with a song called This Year, Winter is Not Coming. It recounts the story of farmers whose crops are damaged due to severe climate change crisis, and even after a good harvest, there's no telling whether they can turn a good profit or not. And despite all that, they try to be optimistic, drink tea and wine, and carry on with life. Let's take a listen to this song. This year, winter is not coming.
冬节来到是夏天，落日射呀不是骗，太皮太黑准备好，不讲我要抢一天。寒度强人千几年，一败土动暖心田，农民辛苦该休息，穷关系卖不到钱。路途白云不是烟，无法度也不是欠。拿出真心做落去，成功失败看上天。哪怕会起起落落，春夏秋冬，一年四季，寒夏年月改天。今年充满寒天，马会翻译来过年，关键暗不正，热讲出来热无热，一杯茶也一杯酒，走一杯只有缘，人月过人月，人年又人年。寒度强人千几年，裂败土动暖心田，农民辛苦该休息，穷关系卖不到钱。路途白云不是烟，无法度也不是欠。
这是一首来自黄振兴最新专辑《转转转》的歌，在描述说农民因为剧烈的气候变化，造成农作物损伤严重。那即便收成不错，也不一定能卖个好价钱。不过即便如此乐天知命的农民依旧日子照过，茶酒照喝，一年一年的奋斗下去。This is such a positive and encouraging song called This Year Winter is Not Coming, brought to you by Huang Zhenxing. I'm Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.